Prominent constitutional lawyer Advocate Mpofu, who is closely associated with opposition leader Advocate Nelsonchamisa, is taking legal action against the Seventh-day Adventist SDA Church, accusing it of desecrating its pulpit by allowing senior ZANU-PF figures to promote partisan political views during church service. Sanavina mashoko nokunzi aiwatagure panguva ino nana Sanyatwe woklasha na Mpofu panguva ine panokunzi vanono misuse the pulpit wotangotora mazANU-PF propaganda uchiti ZANU-PF chatonga kusvika madhonga ane nyanga. Sanavina mashoko budanyiko pana abudobva subscribe like on the bell like TV now more budanyiko mchinzi in a strongly worded letter addressed to the SDA leadership on Wednesday. Advocate Mpofu, through Mutetwa and Nyambera legal practitioners, expressed deep dismay at what he described as a previous and degenerate act that has shaken his faith in the church. It has become necessary for action to be taken against SDA Church, said Mpofu. I thank the royal gladiator, Beatrice Mutetwa, for agreeing to go to war with me. It is necessary for us to say no to degenerate madness and nonsense. The letter outlines Advocate Mpofu's outrage at events that took place on June 14, 2025, during an evangelical campaign dubbed Operational Macedonia in Yanga. According to Mpofu, ZANU-PF linked businessman Kudakushita Gurei invited Lieutenant General Anselm Sanyatwe, now also a ZANU-PF politician, to address congregants from the SDA pulpit without the prior consent of the church's regional leaders. Once on the pulpit, Sanyatwe said to have made partisan political declarations, including the assertion that ZANU-PF would govern Zimbabwe indefinitely, mockingly claiming its rule would only end when donkeys grow horns. He also dismissed previous objections to such statements as being backing. Ndo mashoko anofambiswa mberi aiwa na Mpofu achiti aiwa zvakaita izvi zvokuti vanoshedzana panguva inoenda papulpit votanga kutaura maissues epartisan politics zviri against ende zvinoviolata the constitution yechechi yavo. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinai comment section medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.